Everybody, I say welcome back once again. Yes, today we go start with Atiku Abubakar and Aisha Buhari. Okay? The news they tell us today say Aisha Buhari sent message to Atiku Abubakar. Aisha Buhari na the wife of a Nigerian president, while Atiku Abubakar na the former presidential candidate of People Democratic Party, PDP. When all of them, they are all good for nothing. Like I said before, both the whole governors when they in Nigeria, both the whole ministers, both the army, both the police, both the Nigerian government, both APC and PDP, all of them are good for nothing people. So, Aisha Buhari sent prayers to Atiku Abubakar, the wife of President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, aka Jubril. Aisha Buhari on Monday, now they sent a strong message for strength and prayer to the former vice president of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Oh, no, say all of them come from the same state. Anyway, in case you don't know, that woman where they call Aisha Buhari now from Adamawa State. Atiku Abubakar now from Adamawa State. Okay? Atiku on his verified Twitter page last Sunday night. Now they confirm say his own son, say he don't test positive for coronavirus. No. I don't tell you before say Jubri say that in the real sense and still in come and they call him COVID-19. Jubri come and call him COVID-19. Waiting be COVID-19 upon everything when Abba Kyari and Mama Daura and all those people when they teacher waiting go read come out. Upon all these days when in day inside Aso Rock they rehearse, all of them at the same time come turn to wasting of time. Wasting of time. Come out. The video where they show us say the man come out, come give speech to Nigerian people. Or can't tell Nigerian people about this COVID-19 matter when they for granted everywhere. That is the coronavirus. At the end of the day, Jubri come and can't tell us say na COVID-19. So Aisha Buhari now they send message to Atiku Abubakar because Atiku Abubakar pikin he don't go test positive for COVID-19. Okay. Atiku himself, he never give them the name of any of his son when come in contact with the virus. But he just come out on his Twitter handle and come they confirm and say his son carry that COVID-19 according to Jubril Aminu Al-Sudani. Okay? The man don't confirm to Nigerian people. Say his son don't contact the virus and he don't confirm to Nigerian people. Say because the people where they call the Nigerian Center for Disease Control, NCDC, say they don't already inform them about the matter. Okay? In can say the news can tell us say, however, Atiku Abubakar can call on Nigerian people, made them join them in prayer regarding his son COVID-19, so that his son will recover quick from the disease. Make we read a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, before we move further. My son has tested positive to the hashtag coronavirus. Nigerian Center for Disease Control has been duly informed and he has been moved to Gwagwalada Specialist Teaching Hospital in Abuja for treatment and management. I will appreciate it if you have him in your prayers. Stay safe. Coronavirus is real. Atiku Abubakar tweeted. However, in a message of strength to the 2019 presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party, PDP, Aisha Buhari said, "Your Excellency, it is with deep sense of concern that I extend my sincere prayers towards the quick recovery of your dear son. Allah renew and Amen." So now that one be for Atiku Abubakar himself and the son. Now the news they tell us, see, I don't tell you before now one day Nigeria. Now we don't already know now, see, Nigerian government, they not get anything prepared for their own people. The other Gabashew, one I don't tell you, say, Gabashew will be like bird when they fly with broken wings. All the whole northerners, then be like bird. I mean, the Fulani people, birds when they fly with broken wings, including Abba Kyari and the Mamanda Ora. Because the evil, when Una they do to Nigerian people, it will surely turn back to Una. You, when Bigabashew, they come out every day. They make noise in social media. They make noise in that faded channel television. That fake news station when they done Nigeria. I see all those things when all of Una they do. It must surely turn back. Now return to the sender. Now they return until now. People they tell you, see, the president of the country when be Mamadou Jubri Buhari, say make the man come out. You did there. They protect the man because you know, see, the man not really Jubri from Sudan. You know, the man cannot be able to say anything. You know, the man don't know anything. That is why all of them, they hide, they dodge. Okay? But now, we don't see the reason why again, because now Jubri, now he make come. Now they come out today, make any speech to Nigerian people. In a 1 second speech, when I be address, I go call him, I don't know whether I want, because the way when other presidents, the world presidents, them come out to they address their people, not be the same thing when we see the same Jubri inside one room. They call coronavirus COVID-19. In they call them COVID-19. In fact, I say all those evil when all of them they plan against innocent Nigerian people. And again, we will not prepare anything, no emergency place in case of anybody contact this disease. And according to what we listen to today, a lot of people get that disease in Nigeria. One man, when they claim say, in work with who? In they work with them. The man they talk say more than 45 million people will die in that country where they call Nigeria. Because a lot of people carry this disease, they carry up, they walk up and down. They carry this disease, they give people. And today, Nigerian government will say now 1 person contacted disease. Tomorrow, they will say now 5 people. Next tomorrow, they will come and say now 3 people. I say, waiting on get to test people when get this disease. Una never tell us where that equipment, when una get, when una they brag. In fact, the other man, when be SGF, Secretary to the Federal Government, when be, now the man is still not on, Boss Mustafa. Recently, now I come out, they talk in channel television, they tell them, say, this coronavirus, say, it worst. They more worst than Boko Haram. The same Boko Haram where they talk na them, na still them, na Boss Mustafa them, na the police, the army, the government, the APC group, and the PDP people. Na them be the same Boko Haram people. So, in don't tell us, say, the thing, they worse than the whole thing. Another news day here, when they tell us, say, one Bauchi governor, when they call Mohammed, they say, in don't go self-isolation after in don't dey in contact with this same Atiku Abubakar's son, when carry the disease. Now the thing when the news they tell us. So you don't dey The man don't already, in fact, we go see where they meet themselves. Now the man don't go self-isolation. Because I think una know say Nigerian government, that if you say this disease now for poor people. They think say this disease now for they don't know say the thing don't declare for their eyes say the disease not know whether now you be Jubri or now you be Mamandara or now you be Abakiare or now you be Nigerian president or now you be world president. This disease what they call coronavirus not know who you be. So now the Nigerian government now people went into government like this one now a governor of Bauchi State where they call Muhammadu. The news they tell us say Bauchi State governor, then they call the man Bala Muhammad. Say he don't go into self-isolation after he don't dey in contact with the son of Nigeria's former vice president, when be Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, when his son tested positive to coronavirus. They say Atiku's son, Muhammadu Atiku. Now they tell us the name of the guy now. Atiku's son when carry it. And the one when they answer Muhammadu Atiku, maybe not his first son or his second son. Only God know. Muhammadu Atiku Abubakar. Then say on Sunday, say he don't test positive for coronavirus. And since then, when they don't notice the matter, they don't transfer the man go one hospital for treatment. Now, Atiku Abubakar, according to the news, they tell people on Sunday on his Twitter handle. But they say, however, Mohammed himself won't be the governor. On Monday, on his own personal Twitter handle again, the man can't go the right, say, him don't recently they in contact. That is, they don't meet together with Atiku's son when tested positive for coronavirus. But in contact say he don't take precaution immediately by self-isolating himself. They can say following the confirmation from NDC in contact say that one of his recent, now the same man they talk, one of his recent contact, when be Atiku Abubakar's son, say he don't test positive, and so himself don't take immediate precaution by self-isolating myself. Now so he talk him there. Okay, so in can they encourage for the government or people to comply with the same isolation measure pending the result of our test, he said. Also, senior special assistant to the governor on media, Makita Gadido, in a statement, that man don't come and inform the general public that His Excellency Bala Muhammad, when be the governor, say in don't go self-isolation. So we go see stop there for these people. We move ahead. We move ahead. Now, they say they implement, they want people to hide. They want everybody to go, go into hiding or go into their home. I don't tell you before, this disease now, disease when they on air. Not be just ordinary disease. This disease now disease when they on air. So even Aisha Buhari herself, some few days back, the woman don't come and tell Nigerian people say her own daughter won't come back from London, but they don't call her name. That her daughter name. Say that her daughter don't go self-isolation. The governor of Lagos State don't come out. The governor won't be Sanwo-Olu don't come out. They tell Nigerian people say, I mean the Lagos State people say, make them take them easy to they take that drug won't be chloroquine, because it gets some people now when they take overdose. So before you take, you have to contact a specialist or a doctor or your doctor. Anyone when you want put her. So make una not go they take overdose. Make it be say now those people, now them, tell them, I mean the doctors tell them how to take the medicine and how not to take the medicine. Once again, make Jubri go cover his face somewhere. In fact, that Jubri, when I put for Aso Rock, when they take the deceive Nigerian people, I say the whole world don't already know, say, that man, now the Sudanese man, when Mazen Nandekano don't tell the whole world, say, now waiting him be, now he be, and now waiting that man be, I hear that they call him by name, now Jubri Aminu Al-Sudani. One love, everybody.